Guys, I have some hoverboard here. You see there. See there? Meticulous got it. And she wanted us to try it. At first I'm scared to use it, but now I can do it. Okay. Oh my god, it's too dark. There it is. The source of the light. The source of the light. This is my cousin's bedroom. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh. Even here you can see the flat screen TV, the electric fan, and an aircon. And there, that's the CR. Here's the cabinet. Here. It's my cousin's cabinet too. So that's why they added that. There's my baby cousin. He is watching. I don't know what he's watching. Yeah, it's too dark, so you can't see his face. His name is Jacob. And you see there, that's Jollibee. Here's the box of the TV. It's like 43-inch, I don't know. But it's still good for me. And there's the antenna. I don't have cable in my cousin's bedroom, but in the ground floor we have cable. And this is my cousin's